I know several of y'all were out yesterday, but raise your hand and tell me what we started yesterday. Layla?
We started a book, booklet of a lifecycle of a butterfly, and we started to make coloring the body of a butterfly.
Good, alright. Somebody tell me what we talked about yesterday in our book. Emily?
About butterflies.
What about them though? We talked about the different what's the different stages. Okay? Raise your hand if you can tell me what stage 1 is. Adeline?
A butterfly, an adult butterfly egg for egg.
Good. So egg stage 1. Stage 2, Adeline? Caterpillar. Good. Stage 3, Jamari? You can. Good. Chrysalis. And stage 4, Jacayla? It turns into an adult butterfly. Good. Okay, so we have our book and we have our butterfly body. Today, you're going to get 2 sheets to start with. You're going to get the wings. Okay? You see it has stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4. To show the life cycle of the butterfly. You're also going to get the pictures that go along with the different stages. Okay? First thing you're going to do is you're going to cut them out and then glue them. We're not coloring just yet. Okay? We're going to cut and glue first. Okay? After you glue it on the butterfly wings, it's going to cover up where it says stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and stage 4. So you're going to have to write stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and stage 4 on your picture after you glue it, okay? And then we'll go back and we'll color it. What was that other thing we talked about? Butterflies have what? Layla?
They, on both sides, they both look the same.
Okay, what's that called? Remember we talked about it in math this week.
The line of...
Please excuse this interruption. If you've not been to the food truck, please let the office know. If you've not been to the food truck to get your food, please let the front office know. Thank you.
Alright, it's the line of what?
Symmetry.
Yes, symmetry. Okay, those of y'all who weren't here yesterday, Marquez, tell them what a line of symmetry means. If I split this butterfly down the middle, it's the what? Okay, so it's the what on both sides? The same. So if I color this blue and this green, am I going to color this yellow and this red?
No.
If this is blue and green, this is blue and green, okay? So when you get to the part where you color, you better make sure if you color this blue, this better be blue too, okay? So I'm going to hand you this sheet first. Go ahead and take out your scissors and your glue. If you don't have any, I will call you to get some. Take one and pass it down. Take one and pass it down. Alright, if you're at Layla's table and need scissors and or glue, walk and go get some. Take one, pass it around. Alright, if you're at Cal's table and you need scissors and or glue to get it, Markways, you can go get it too. We'll get to you. Alright, if you're at Adelyn's table and need some, go get it. And Emily's table. And Carter. What you need, Adelyn? Alright, does everybody have scissors and glue now? Alright, so go ahead. You take this half sheet that I hadn't given to you. You're gonna take this half sheet and cut out your stages, okay? So once you get it, go ahead and start cutting. Are we coloring right now? No, we're just cutting and gluing. You're welcome. Yes. You're welcome. No, you're not cutting the big butterfly wings. You're just cutting this half sheet with the circles for right now. And when you get done, just set your trash to the corner of your desk, okay? And we'll handle that later. In just a minute, we're gonna do kind of walk through it together, and then I'll let you do the rest on your own. I'm just trying to give everybody a chance to finish cutting first. Once you finish cutting, you can go ahead and grab your little circle. So what stage would this be?
Stage 1.
Okay, so you can put a little 1 somewhere, not on the leaf, somewhere inside the circle, okay? After you cut them, go ahead and do that. That's okay, because you can still see the majority of the picture. Alright, so somebody raise your hand and tell me what stage 1 is. Chase?
It's the crystal where the little caterpillar
Not quite. What can you use if you're not sure? Your what? Your book. Okay, so if you're not sure, look back in your book. So Chase, look back in your little booklet and tell us what stage 1 is. An egg, okay? So which one of these pictures is a picture of the eggs? This one right here? Good. Okay, so I'm gonna write stage 1. Alright, stage 2, Jacayla. Look in your book. Open your book up right here. What comes next, Jacayla? Caterpillar, okay? So you're gonna write stage 2 on your caterpillar picture. And then stage 3 is what, Jamari? The chrysalis. And the last stage, Layla?
Stage 4, the butterfly.
Stage 4 butterfly, good. Okay, so now that you have them labeled, you're gonna get this sheet right here that's on your desk. You're not cutting it right now, we're just gluing, okay? You're gonna find stage 1. You're gonna glue it just like that. And you're gonna do that for 2, 3, and 4 also. Okay, so once you finish cutting, if you're still cutting, keep cutting. But when you finish cutting and you have it labeled stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and stage 4, go ahead and start putting them on your butterfly wings. Yes,
When you're done, you stop coloring.
just hang tight, okay? Because we're gonna make sure everybody's got it in the right spot. I'm gonna go ahead and finish mine, y'all finish yours. you, make sure you're right in the stages. You see, it's covered up now. Not yet, just hang tight. Right now we're just gluing the stages on the wings. Alright, raise your hand if you're still gluing your circles. I'll give you another minute or two. Set your trash in the corner of your desk. That way it's not in the way. Okay, you might want to put a little more glue right there, just let that come off. Get your glue stick and put a little more glue right there. There you go. Looks like most everybody's finished now. Alright, so just for time's sakes, we're not going to cut it right now, but you have another sheet you're about to get. We are going to do something with it though. We're not cutting it, but we are going to color it. And I want you to color it with the line of symmetry to show that you know what it means to have a line of symmetry. That it means the what on both sides? The same, okay? But essentially, that's what your butterfly would look like, okay? So I'm going to pass this paper out to you. This is the one that I want you to color with your line of symmetry. So if you do this skinny part pink, this skinny part better be what color? Pink. Pink. Okay. Let's see if you can do it. We'll color that in just a second. Avonlea had a good question too. She said, do you do designs like if you do polka dots? What would she have to do to the other side? Polka dots. What you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. So if you do draw polka dots, that's okay, but you have to do it to both sides, remember?
So we color this one, but not this one?
Yes. Just because we're short on time, okay? You can take it home and color the rest there. What? Yes, you can color whatever color you want. Just make sure I can see your line of symmetry where it's the same on both sides, okay? With crayons. Alright, does my butterfly have a line of symmetry?
Yes, ma'am.
If I split it down the middle, is it the same on both sides?
Yes.
Yeah. This part's what? What color?
Red.
Red. This part's what?
Red.
This part's?
Yellow.
And this one is?
Yellow.
Yellow. So it's the same. Now if I did now does it have a line of symmetry?
No.
Why?
Because it isn't the same.
What color is this one?
Blue.
And this one's what?
Green.
Are blue and green the same? No, so you're right. That is not a line of symmetry. Good. What? Yeah, you can just put that. I just didn't color my whole butterfly. I just colored the top part just to show y'all an example. I'll give you a couple more minutes to color and then we'll move on to the next thing. Y'all look up here really quick. Okay? This is what your finished product is going to look like. Okay? We're not doing all of this right now. Okay? Just because we don't have a lot of time. When you open the wings, what do you see?
The life cycle.
The life cycle of what?
The butterfly.
Of the butterfly. Okay? So, you need to take this home, all your pieces, okay? You need to take your book, your body, and both sets of wings home and study them, okay? Because you're gonna have a quiz on it. The book will probably be easier for you to study just because it's all compact right here. You can just open it up and look through it, what you need. Yes, you can finish coloring that at home. And you can put it together at home as well. Alright, does anybody have any questions about the life cycle of a butterfly? Yes.
Does the butterfly or the lay colored eggs somewhere else, anywhere else, other than leaf?
No, they lay them on leaves because.
It's soft.
What did you say?
I said because it's soft.
Let's see, but what do caterpillars eat?
Leaves.
Leaves. So when the egg hatches into a what?
No,
A butterfly, a caterpillar. The caterpillar needs to be able to eat, right? To survive. So the egg's laid on the leaf. So when it hatches into a caterpillar, their food's right there. And then they can grow into a what? A chrysalis. And then a butterfly. Yes. And did anybody see our butterflies in the hallway today? Let's see, Avalyn, what observation did you make? Did you notice any changes?
I noticed that cocoons butterflies.
Okay, so the chrysalis or cocoon turned into a butterfly. Okay, Avonlea? Okay, so they're different colors. One more, Josiah. What's that called? Line of symmetry. So Josiah said he noticed that all the butterflies that are in there have a line of symmetry. They're the same on both sides. Good. Alright, so go ahead and start putting all your stuff together. Just kind of stack it. And set it to the side, okay?